Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here are some of the cranberry jam that I had made out of dried cranberries, and I'm going to show you how I made these. Now, special thing about these jars and lids, they are reused, and as you can see, they were originally from the store, but that's okay. Okay, these little four packs that I not received, but I bought on clearance rack of dried cranberries, 100 grams each. I'm going to make cranberry jam out of it because I am not paying for a tiny little jar, almost €3 for a cranberry jam. I can make it myself for way cheaper. I filled the dried cranberries into the pot and just filled up the water to the rim, and I'm gonna let it cook down now for as long as it takes till it gets down to a jelly consistency, but I'm going to put it on medium for right now and then just let it cook. And if I need to add water, I will go ahead and add a little bit of water. Okay, cranberries are cooking nicely, and I'm gonna just keep adding water a little bit till they completely get fully hydrated again. So because these are dried cranberries, you have to rehydrate them first and then cook them down into a marmalade. Here we go. We'll come back in a few minutes. Right now I am warming up the cranberry sauce, cranberry jam. Jars are sterilized, ready to go. I have the pot ready, and once I put it in, I'm going to fill it up with hot water, and we'll get it all canned and up. Here we go. We've got just a little bit left in the pot. I'm just going to put it in a jar, let it cool off, and put it in the fridge for use. Here are the 4 jars all ready for water canning. So there we go. Easy process, and the jars are really small, so 4 of them fits in there. I did put a cloth underneath, so between the jar and the pan it doesn't rattle, so less chance of breaking in the jars. And you can probably see, if you watch closely, there are some bubbles rising. That is actually the air that's starting to come from the cans, because I did put hot water in here because the jars were already hot. Jars were hot, the jam is hot, so the water has to be hot. If I did it opposite, it would be all cold. Here are the final products of the cranberry jam. Looks like all the jars have sealed, with exception of this one. I think it has sealed, but I did mark it so I know to use it first. So reused jars, reused lids, water bath, 15 minutes because everything was already hot. So I'm just going to go ahead and label them and ready to be put away. If you are interested in seeing more content like this, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell when new videos come out.